Standard 6th, Subject English, Lesson number 1.7, Paramveer Chakra, Our Heroes, Part 1. Paramveer Chakra, PVC, is the India's highest military decoration, means medal, awarded for the highest degree of warrior or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy, literally meaning wheel of the ultimate brave. Paramveer Chakra is the very rare honor so far. It has been awarded only 21 times. 14 of these awards were given posthumously, means after the person's death the award was given to their relatives.
The medal itself is very simple in appearance. It is made of bronze and is fitted with swell mounting, means fixed in a way which allows it to move freely, and has a plain purple ribbon. On the obverse, it has the Indian national emblem. Emblem means symbol at the center, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. On the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi. This is the woman who have designed the Paramveer Chakra. Her name is Savitribai Khanolkar. She was a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and had studied Indian arts and traditions in depth. In the previous paragraph, we heard the word Indra's Vajra, means thunderbolt, is supposed to be a matchless weapon. But what makes the weapon invincible means impossible to defeat. It is a supreme sacrifice of the sage Dadichi. Here is a story of Dadichi. According to legend, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world. Innocent people were suffering and dying without water. The demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapons like wood, metals. Something extraordinary was required. It was learned that Dadichi had bones of such extraordinary power. But how could one ask for the bones of a living man? Dadichi was a noble person. He himself laid down his life and gave his bone to help the people. Indra Vajra, Indra's weapon of thunderbolt, was fashioned from these bones, and the demon was defeated. Just as the Indra Vajra derived power from the Dadichi's bone, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave, the Paramveer Chakra holders. The 21 bravest of the brave Paramveer: Major Shaitan Singh, Company Quartermaster Havildar Abdul Hamid, Captain Gurbachan Singh Salar, Company Havildar Major Pero Singh, Lance Nayak Karam Singh, Second Lieutenant Rama Raghoba Rane, Nayak Jadunath Singh, Major Somnath Sharma, Major Dhan Singh Thapa, Subedar Jogender Singh, Lieutenant Colonel Ardeshir Burzorji Tarapure, Second Lieutenant Arun Khetarpal, Major Hoshiar Singh, Lance Nayak Albert Ikka, Flying Officer Nirmal Jeet Singh Sikho and Naib Subedar Bana Singh, Major Ramaswamy Parmeshwaram and Captain Vikram Batra, Grenadier
Yoginder Singh Yadav, Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey, and Rifleman Sanjay Kumar.
Here is a small incident of bravery. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sikho. On the 14th of December 1971, Srinagar was attacked by the enemies, 6 enemy Sabre aircraft. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sikho was at the duty and ready, but because of the cloud dust raised by another aircraft, obstructed. But as the runway was clear, the enemy was overhead. He flew with his aircraft immediately and attacked the 2 enemy's aircraft. The town of Srinagar was saved, but Officer Nirmaljit Sikho lost his life. Flying Officer Sikho displayed great flying skill and determination in the face of certain death. He showed unmatched heroism above and beyond the call of duty. Salute to the bravest of brave, Flying Officer Nirmaljit Sikho.